What did you just say?
I said you're holding a pencil.
Do you know what this pencil can do?
Yep.
Then what can it do?
I think it can write.
What did you just say?
I think it can write on paper.
Do you know what this pencil can do?
Yes.
What can it do?
It can write on paper.
What did you just say?
It can write on paper.
Do you know what this pencil
Will you shut up, sorry that I'm out of the.
Do you know what this pencil can do?
Apart from writing on paper, no.
It can make mustaches! See?
Well, now I have to go and fly. Why did I have to fall?
Diddy! I got the flag! Don the marker! I got gas! Hey!
You're dead!
I have the force! Da-da! Ha-ha! The marker makes no sense.
Well, you know what? I've just had enough. It's time. Haha, that doesn't hurt because it's a pencil. Now, go home. And I didn't do anything. You just came out to me in the street. Stop coming up to people
And
in
then
the street.
the pencil transforms into a pitchfork. What the f... Well, it's time to deflect with a fun.
Ow! You
Change the button! I gotta go get my Sparky! Finally, I can go.
Sparky. Sounds interesting. Meanwhile,
Luigi! I got my Sparky! Sparky!